Today we will discuss about how we can switch from the graphical mode to the text mode and vice versa. In order to do so, what you need to do, you have to press these buttons Alt plus Control plus any button other than F1. So let's say F2. Okay, so you will go to the graphical mode. If you want to return back, press F1. That's it. So let me close it and let me press the button Alt Control, okay, and F1, F2 key of my computer. So let me do that. You can see I'm here because I press F3, any key other than F1. So I just went to this terminal. If I want to log in here, I need to pass my login name, let's say Sanjit, okay, whatever name, it's up to you, okay, and my password like this. So you can see I logged in here. If you want to switch user, you can switch as well. Okay, so here I am as a root user. You can see I am here as a root. If you want to switch, Control Alt and after that press F1. So here we are. Let me log in back. So you can see, right? In this way, you can transfer your GUI mode to the text mode if you want to use only text mode. So this is all about, guys, how to do that.